What's up YouTube everyone? This week's YouTube video for 3 languages in 3 minutes would be an expression for when it rains it pours. Let's find out how each of the 3 East Asian countries expresses when it rains it pours in Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. 雪上加霜,祸不单行. 雪上加霜 is a 4-word Chinese idiom denoting certain meaning. Literally, it means frost on top of snow. Snow alone is really not good for farm and its agricultural products, and frost would make matters worse. So in English, it would be when it snows, it frosts. Another expression would be 祸不单行, which means misfortunes never come singly. Indeed, the expressions are really similar across different languages. This word 祸 for misfortune is the opposite of 福, meaning luck and happiness. Many Chinese put on this word on their doors in the hope of having luck coming to them. The trick here is that they put this on upside down. Why would you put it upside down on the door? It is because the Chinese word for coming, 到, is pronounced the same as 倒, meaning upside down. Basically, this is Chinese word pun in wishing luck to come. So we know why the Chinese put the word upside down on the door during their festivals now. Nakitsura ni hachi, yowarime ni tatarime. In Japanese, naki is to cry and tsura is a face. This word, hachi, is a bee. So someone is crying and a bee tries to sting in the face. Yowarime ni tatarime is another word for the same meaning, where me does not mean the eye as commonly known, but here rather timing. This expression literally means when people are weak, the god punished them. These 2 expressions thus mean when it rains, it pours. 엎친데 덮치다. This is a bit hard to pronounce. This one literally means to fall on someone who already fell down. So imagine you got hurt by falling down first, but then somebody else falls upon you again. So that is a double whammy. Meanwhile, Koreans also use the 설상가상, which is the phonetic representation of Chinese characters 雪上加霜 that we just studied. Koreans use these Chinese characters in many instances, just with different pronunciation. We have covered how when it rains it pours is expressed in 3 East Asian countries, 雪上加霜 in Chinese, nakitsura ni hachi in Japanese, and 엎친데 덮친다 in Korean. There are many different ways to express the same meaning, and it is perhaps people have always complained a lot when things got worse and worse. Next time, I'll cover rip off. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you had enjoyed it.